This is the shade 80. Let's just put it on my face so we can really see what's going on, because I'm very confused. And it was a real struggle, but however we got there in the end. This is the final look. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Essence makeup, and it was a real struggle, but however we got there in the end. This is the final look, and if you want to see how I achieved this final look, then stay tuned for the video. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here, so why not hit that subscribe button? And also there will be a giveaway at the end, so what are you waiting for? Do you want to see this video? Do you want to get a giveaway goodie? Oh, you just subscribed because you heard about that giveaway? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing is the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer with Black K. And this is their new primer. So I'm not really too sure about the product because the primer comes out like this. So I'm just a bit like, really? So I'm just taking a little bit and I'm just gonna place it on my face. It smells healthy. Is my face ashy, guys? Is my face ashy? Okay, yeah, my face isn't ashy. Or is it? I don't really know because the lights just be tricking you, you know? Okay, and then they have their Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup. This is the new range, and they have given me the shade 80. Now I'm wearing leather, so let's be careful. This is the shade 80. Let's just put it on my face so we can really see what's going on, because I'm very confused. So what we're not going to do is pretend that we're the shade 80 and blend that all in. So yeah, I'm gonna get my actual foundation. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had to come off camera and put on my foundation and eyebrows because gone are the days where we're wearing foundation that is not our colour. I love my colour. I don't want to be any other colour. So I just needed to just do my foundation because that foundation was a joke. Okay, going in with the eyes, I've primed my eyes. This is their Too Glam to Give a Damn eyeshadow palette, and I love the colours. So I think I'm going to do like a purple and golden look because of course I am wearing gold today. So I'm just going to swatch the purple that I'm going to go in with, and it does come off quite nicely. So this is kind of like a mauve purple, and I'm just going to go in with it as a base colour. So let's get putting on my eyeshadow right now. Just taking my C6 Bell brush. Absolutely love these brushes. I use them all the time, and I'm just going in on the top of my eyelid. Not gonna lie, do really have to work with this eyeshadow palette. It doesn't come off as easy as the other eyeshadow palettes that I normally use. However, even though it takes a while for it to lift from the palette, it is actually very rich in pigmentation. Like, the colour for me is really nice. I really like this purple colour, to be honest. Okay, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques blending brush and I'm just going to blend that in because it is looking a bit higger. So let's just blend that in. Okay, just to give it a little bit of shimmer, I'm just going to go in with this other purple. It's more of a shimmering purple, and I'm just going to go in the crease of my eye with this purple. I'm taking my eyeshadow brush from the Gigi Hadid Maybelline collection. I forgot how much I love this brush because this brush can literally pick up anything. So I'm just going to put that in my crease. And then we're going to go in with the gold shimmer on my lash line. Gold is knocking at your door. Gold is knocking at your door. Gold is knocking at your door. There is gold on your door. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the mascara. It is the Essence I Need a Miracle Volumizing and Strengthening Mascara. And then we're going to go in with the Go for the Glow highlighting palette. I'm just going to quickly swatch the shades for you and then apply my favourite shades. This is the first shade. It's like a bronzy shade. Second shade is like a rose gold shade. And the third shade, well, the first shade is more like a rose gold shade. The second shade is more like a pinky tone. And that's the colours from the highlighting palette. I'm going to go in with the more bronzy tone. Wow, that is not for me. I don't think so. Let's try and blend it even more because it's looking a little bit ashy. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I don't know, I feel like a little bit ashy. I don't feel like this makeup is for me. The foundation was super off. The eyeshadow palette, I did like the purple, but it was very hard to work with. The mascara is bomb, like the mascara is absolute bomb. That is something I would definitely be keeping. I would say go for the mascara. The highlighting palette, again, was a little bit like off. Just don't think it's made for melanin skin tones. So I will be giving Essence a miss, but I do have a lot of products from them, so I will be giving a giveaway. I don't know how to put this in a nice way, but it is not for my skin tone. And I feel like I have like a very light complexion. Like, I know a lot of brands don't have a vast variety in terms of colours, but I mean, come on, Rihanna came out with all these colours and new brands are still coming out with 6 shades. I mean, come on. Anyway, I'm not going to rant about it. It's not for me. Okay guys, here are all of the lovely things that you could win in the giveaway. Stay tuned for the next clip because I will tell you how you can enter and get your hands on these goodies. I will be doing a giveaway, so what you need to do to win these products is comment a cheeky comment below, follow me on my Instagram, and also leave a comment on the post, and one of you will be winning all these goodies. But I guess that's all guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? And as always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.